Friends, here we discuss about elementary operation of a matrix. Remember this here. First, Ri to Rj. That means interchange ith row and the jth row. Like as in a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we apply R1 to R2, then interchange this first and the second row. Second row become first and first row become second. That is a 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. Clear? So this is a R1 to R2. Ri to Rj, that is interchange ith row and jth row. Similarly, Ci to Cj, interchange ith column and jth column. Like as C1 to C2, first and second column interchange. Next, Ri implies Kri. That means multiplying each entry of ith row by k. Clear? Next, Ri implies Ri plus k Rj. That is multiplying each entry of jth row by k and add in a corresponding entries of ith row. Like as R1 implies R1 plus 3 R2. So multiplying each entry of a second row by 3 and add in a first row. So here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 rows in. Now first row becomes multiplying each entry of second row by 3 and add in first. Here by 3. So 4, 3, 12 plus 1 becomes 13. 5, 3, 15 plus 2, 17. 6, 3, 18 plus 3, 21. Clear? Now theorem number 3, uniqueness of inverse. Remember this, if inverse of a square matrix exists, then it is a unique. Theorem number 4 given, if A and B are invertible matrix of the same order, then AB inverse, remember this, is equal to B inverse into A inverse. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now here we solve some question of exercise 3.4. Remember this, question number 1. Find inverse of matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3 using elementary transformation. First, suppose given matrix by A. A is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3. We know that A is a square matrix of order 2. So we have an identity matrix I of order 2, so that A is equal to I into A. We know A is equal to, write this matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3 is equal to I is a matrix, identity matrix of order 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, and A write the same. Now here we get, applying some operation, identity matrix. For identity matrix, we know that how to get identity matrix. In a first row, first column become 1 and the second becomes 0. In the second row, first element 0 and third becomes 1. Then this becomes identity matrix. applying a operation on this row, we get identity matrix. Here already 1 given, so here we get a 0. Multiplying second, here first R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. Here we apply R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. That is multiplying each entry of first row by 2 and subtract from a second. Here we get 1, 0, multiplying this by 2, so minus 2 and subtract from this, so become 5. Here minus 1 is equal to, same apply here, 1, 0, write the same as given in a first row. In a second row, multiplying this by minus 2 and adding this, or multiplying by 2 and subtract from this, so minus 2, here becomes a 1 into A. Clear? Now here we get a 1, dividing by 5 to each entries of second row, that is the second row implies 1 by 5 R2. Apply this operation, we get 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 by 5 upon 5, that is a 1, is equal to, here 1, 0, dividing by 5, so 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 into A. Clear? Therefore now here get a 0, multiplying this second row by 1 and adding this, that is we apply R1 implies R1 plus R2. Clear? So here we get 1 minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 0, 1. So this become identity matrix. Here we add this, so 1 minus 2 by 5, that is a 3 by 5. Here 1 by 5 remains same, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 is into A. So product of these two matrix, A into this matrix, is equal to identity matrix. So we say that this matrix is inverse of A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Clear? For other question also apply same method and get a inverse of each given matrix. Clear? Now question number 18, matrix A and B will be inverse of each other only if option are given: AB is equal to BA, AB is equal to BA equal to 0, AB equal to 0, BA equal to I, identity matrix. AB is equal to BA is equal to I, identity matrix. You know that when we say that A and B are inverse of each other, if multiplication of given two matrix is equal to identity matrix, then we say that these two matrix are inverse of each other. Now here we solve some question of a miscellaneous exercise, last exercise. Question number 1, 2, 3. Remove this question. Now question number 4. If A and B are symmetric matrix, then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. AB is a symmetric matrix. Here given that in a 4, A and B are symmetric matrix. So transpose of A is equal to A and the transpose of B is equal to B. Here we want to show that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. For this here we get transpose of this. We know that A plus B transpose of this is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Apply for these terms. AB transpose of this minus BA transpose of this. Clear? So is equal to AB dash is equal to, we know that, B dash into A dash minus this, it becomes a dash into B dash, but B dash is equal to B, A dash is equal to A, minus A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. So is equal to, minus take common, we get AB minus BA. Clear? So what you say about this matrix AB minus BA? Here transpose of AB minus BA is equal to minus AB minus BA. Therefore AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Question number next, question 5. You show that the matrix B dash A B is a symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. Just try to solve this question yourself. Now question number 6. For matrix A is equal to 0 to y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y and z satisfy A dash into A is equal to I. Prove that A satisfy this condition. A dash into A is equal to I. You know that how to prove this. Try yourself. Now question number 7. Same given matrix multiplication 1 2 1 into matrix 1 2 0 2 1 0 and 1 0 2 into matrix 0 2 x is equal to given 0. Then find x. Find x. First get matrix multiplication of second and third, then get matrix multiplication of first and the resulting matrix and compare with 0. We get value of x. Now question number 8. For a matrix A is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 and a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to, prove that 0. For this here, first we get a square, a into a, then replacing a square a by a result of a square matrix A and I, identity matrix 1 0 0 1. In this we get a 0. Question number 9. Same question as given in a question number 7. For matrix x minus 5 minus 1 into matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 into x 4 1 is equal to 0. Find x. You know that how to find x. Taking matrix multiplication of these two matrices, then matrix multiplication of first and the resulting matrix, compare with 0, we get value of x. Question number 10 given. Just try to solve this yourself. Now question number 11. Find the matrix x. Show that number 11 x, show that 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to minus 7 minus 8 minus 9 2 4 6. Think how to get this matrix x. First suppose this matrix x. Suppose x such that whose column becomes a two column. A and A, B, C, D. Clear? Then A, B, C, D get matrix multiplication with this, compare with this matrix and get value of A, B, C, D. Clear? Just try to solve this yourself. Question number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Easy and easy question. Cancel this question number 12. And question number 13, 14, 15 solve yourself. Clear?